Hi guys, hello, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new, I am Susanita Efe. Today's video is all about a simple everyday makeup look tutorial, and before we get right into the video, let me just welcome those of my new subscribers. If today is your first time seeing my face, well, you are welcome. On my channel I do makeup videos, beauty, lifestyle, I do vlogs, and I sometimes drop some random entertainment videos. If this is your thing, make sure you click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video you will be notified. That being said, let's jump right into the video. After drawing my brows, I'm just going to go in with foundation. So let me apply my foundation. Most times, you guys, I don't really wear makeup. For those of you who know me very well, I don't really like wearing makeup to work. Yes, I know someone was telling me the other day that you are a makeup artist, how come you don't always wear makeup? And I was like, the fact that you are a makeup artist does not automatically mean that you have to wear makeup 24/7. Like, and most of the makeup artists that I know don't wear makeup always. This, I just learned recently that this is not called a beauty blender, it's actually called a beauty sponge. Henceforth, it's no longer a beauty blender, it's a beauty sponge. For me not to mess with my eyebrows, I'm just going to take this brush and then go around my brow area because I don't want any stories that touch. At this point, I am going to apply a setting spray. Yes, the reason I'm doing this because, you know, when you go out in the morning and then you have to come back in the evening, many a times, and like this summer period, many times we sweat a lot. So I'm doing this to just like hold my makeup more so it holds longer. That's why after applying my foundation, I like to, during the summer period, I like to apply setting spray. So I'm just going to apply setting spray too. This is just for hold and it helps me. That's something that I've been doing and it helps. So just a little bit. So I am just going to allow this to dry, but I'm not going to let it like over dry, just like kind of tacky. You'll definitely feel it on your face. Okay, now it's time to apply my eyeshadows. First thing what I would do is I'm just going to take some of my powder, like my face powder. I'm using the Zikel palette. Everything I'll be using for this tutorial, I'm going to list them in the description box below, so if you are interested you can check it out. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some setting powder, not like setting powder, like my normal face powder. I don't think I am going to be needing any eyeshadow again, you guys, honestly, because it's an everyday look, so we want it to be neutral as possible. This is what makeup is all about, you guys. Sometimes you have something in mind and then as you begin to work you see that something else pops up and it turns out beautiful. So you see, my powder is giving me that perfect neutral look. As you can see, the eyes are okay. The powder just did the perfect, as in this is just how I wanted it, but I initially wanted to use orange color, but looking at this I'm not doing anything again. So I'm just going to apply underneath my eyes. I'm going to use eye pencil to line my eyes. Let me see if it's going to work out well. Okay, not bad. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply underneath my eyes. I'm still going to apply the orange color. I'm going to do that. You guys, I didn't realize my camera was off. Okay, anyways, what I just did was draw a wing, like just apply my eyeliner. So I'm just going to continue with the other eye. all I need to do is apply my mascara. Now I am done with the eyes. I just went off camera to fix my lashes. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to powder my face, and I'm still taking from my Zikel palette. I'm just going to apply powder. Now you guys, the next thing I will go in with is just a highlighter, and because I'm trying to keep it very simple, I'm just going to take a little bit of it. Now after the highlighter, I'm just going to go to the lip area, and I am also trying to keep it natural. I'm just going to use a lip pencil to line my lip. Now I am going to apply a concealer, and I'm using my Elegant Pro concealer as my lipstick. I'm mixing it anyways, you guys. I'm going to take from the Essence Mix and Match palette. I'm going to take this one right here. I'm just going to use my finger to like get it. I'm going to go in just with a lip gloss, and we are good to go. It's time for setting spray, and I will be right back. Here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this look, and if you would like to see more tutorials like this, let me know in the comment section below. And hey, if you are not following me on Instagram, please go follow me on Instagram. That being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, ciao, tschüss, auf Wiedersehen, au revoir.